Hey guys, so we've been back. Hope I have my cardies. So we've been back at in Warsaw City Center, the Hilton, since yesterday afternoon. And today I'm making sure. So yesterday I wanted to go to the gym after dinner, but because it was a public holiday here in I don't know if it's the whole of Poland or just Warsaw, I couldn't go to gym, so we had to walk outside. So today I'm making sure that I'm using the amenities, because we always go to hotels but we never really use the amenities. So this time I'm making sure I'm doing it. So I'm going to swim in the morning, in the afternoon, like 12:30. I actually went to walk on the treadmill. Oh yeah, I was about to say, oh no, I'm not wearing shoes. I'm wearing shoes. So yeah, so I'm going. We're not allowed to take videos because the first time I went to check it out, I was told not to take a video. I can't take a video because obviously privacy. So level 2. Yeah, so I've arrived. I'll see if there's people there. If there's no people, I'll show you guys around. So as you can see, it's that, and bye. So I'm going out. So this side we have naked people. Okay, so I'm done with swimming, guys. I will not be able to function tomorrow. I think I'm superwoman. I basically, we're on the 26th floor this time. So like I said, walked on the treadmill for like 5 kilometers. More than 5 actually, because I needed 5 kilometers on my watch. I started on the treadmill and I forgot to start my watch. So yeah, but anyways, I just swam now for like almost like 30 minutes. I don't know how long I swam for, but it wasn't really 30 minutes. And I was swimming, I was not just playing around, but the pool is cold, the water is cold. It feels warm when you touch it and you're standing outside, but as soon as you actually go in, it's like freakishly cold. Well, not that cold, or else I wouldn't have gotten in. But it is so busy. I think it's because this place is not just for the hotel, it's actually a gym, like a fitness club for anybody can basically pay. And then obviously guests at the hotel, we can go in. But yeah, and babe didn't want to come down. I told him I'm going to the pool. He could have come down and joined me, but I'm dirty. Oh, you could have washed quickly and come down. But anyways, I'm gonna jump in the bath with him because I'm cold. Yeah, like there's so many people. I wanted to go into the steam room. And I'm hungry, baby. Me too. So yeah. But anyways, we are. All right, let's see it. I'm getting in with my costume. Nine. Anyways. Woo. That was a good swim. Okay, I'm gonna take off my costume now.
Later that day.
So you need to hold me accountable, my love. What?
You guys, you feel you're slim in the gym.
Because everyone is bigger.
Yeah. Everything is bigger in the US.
There is that one. Yeah. What is this? It's a doctor. It's like some sort of exhibitions. Oh yeah, it's just a pipe with water. With water. With water. And here, what's happening? Is it a simulation of that? The thing is, we don't even know what's happening. Puddles 29 to 31 Artwork Gallery. Alrighty. This building is amazing, huh? Now I don't even know if we lost or not. So we have to go that way and that way to the subway. To the yeah, they're working, babe. Okay, guys. So I want to show you guys a picture. Look at this. I want to show you guys a picture that babe took. You guys will see it. And I was like, hey, I know I'm black, so it's fine. Yeah, no, that one is not fine. Yeah, no. It's yeah, no. Yeah, no. I don't know where we're going to, lovey.
You taste. You
I
know
was
the way.
showing you this.
You show me something.
This place that we saw that other time. So yeah, but anyways, we are going to McDonald's again because my husband just wants a McD. McDo.
What I want.
McDo. We just had dinner at the hotel, but
Just want to find out what is there.
oh yeah, it's a bank, baby.
Huh?
Oh, it's Samsung, not a bank. It's Samsung. It's nice, huh? All right. So I'm gonna put the camera away so that I can find the way because babe is depending on moi.
More?
Yeah. Thing is, I don't know where the hotel is now. We lost. Okay, need to find direction, okay? See you guys later. Let's to the underground. And it's like this, the subway. We take the shops are closed already. But the shop that you want is not closed. So, okay, let me show you guys where we are. But we literally in a whole city under the road, under the city. This is where we came in yesterday, you see? No, it's a different side. I closed. Baby, we know where it is. It's literally there. And you said, so today we want to go out on this one, right? Because you said it's this way. Let's see where it takes us out, huh? I'm sad the shops are closed. 9. All the shops are closed. Guess they closed maybe 9 latest. So now we are at McDonald's. We were here yesterday. You're not going in? And baby's gonna order. I'm tired, guys. But yeah, so tomorrow hoping to actually do like a little bit of exploring because we've been here for like 2 weeks now and haven't really, well, I've been here for like 2 weeks now and haven't really explored the city. So before we leave, I'd actually like to go to like touristy places and do touristy things, you know? So yeah, anyways, I think we'll say good night now and I will see you guys tomorrow. I know I said good night, but obviously there's like displays here. You see the witches there? So cool. And then there's this, guys. Oh, bats. Cool. And we are out. Now finally, Google. We finally going. Oh, here's our building. Here's your Samsung, baby. Here's your Samsung.
The next day.
Okay, so I find this interesting. There is a new one for each client and each hand, which is quite cool. It's the first time I experienced this, but it's awesome. She's done the horrible part of pushing my cuticles back, which I don't like much. She's gonna cut my nails.
Later that day.
Okay, so fast forward to I don't know how many hours later, done at the salon. Well, yeah, the salon place. And honestly, they shaved my brows. They were supposed to tint them and then also get eyelashes, but they just were doing a lot of things. So they started with my brows. Babe went in for his massage because I booked him a massage so that, you know, he doesn't get bored waiting for me to do my nails. So they started with my brows. I thought they were going to give it color. They didn't, which is fine because then at least they shaped. That's what I'm happy about. And then they took me to do my nails. So she did this square thing, which I've never done before, like honestly. But I like them. I wanted color. I wanted orange, but she was like, no, do this one. Then I was like, okay, whatever. So they did this. Oh, there's this cool thing that they actually do. They've got this nail, because she was like, oh, can I do like nail extraction? And in my head, I was like, extraction? So I thought it was like pulling out my nails for some reason, but no. So anyways, she did it, and I love the nails. I love the outcome. They are so cute, guys. I feel like a girl. Like I feel like a girl. Like I haven't done my nails in like forever. So yeah. So anyways, we came back. What did I do? Oh yeah, we went to the room, and then I went down to the gym to exercise a bit. So now babe already came down because I had to shower, get ready. So now I'm downstairs at the lounge, about to have dinner. He says there's pasta today. So yeah, so let's see. Thought my card wasn't working. So anyways, about to have dinner, guys, later. Okay, so I spilled, so babe went downstairs to go get me something. He's already had pasta, wine, coffee, no champagne, wine. He said the pasta was nice, so I hope so. I hope it is. I'm gonna taste it now.
The next day.
It's time to check out. Oh, baby's leaving me. He's like, I'm not about this life. Ugh. No, it's the door just closed.
Yeah.
We have everything, right?
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, guys, we're checking out. We've got our bags. It's been good. Yo, these bags are heavy. So we're going to the airport and we're going back home. Woo. Yeah, no, like guys, jackets and all of that. It's just a lot. It's just a lot. My bag is super heavy. The weather sucks. We were hoping, we had planned to go for a walk to the palace today and just walk around the old town, but then when we stepped out after breakfast, it was raining. So we spent the day in the room just relaxing, and now we're heading to the airport. So we'll see you guys at the airport.